Why do we frequently overlook the significance of the gastrointestinal system? Many may not notice that this complex system is an essential contributor to our overall health, ensuring that we are nourished and full of energy. In fact, it's not an exaggeration to say it keeps us alive. Now imagine a detailed diagram of the gastrointestinal system, starting from the esophagus and leading all the way down to the rectum. The image intricately showcases the stomach, duodenum, and colon, components that work tirelessly to digest our food and extract the nutrients we need. Another image, this time a close-up, shows the millions of tiny villi in your small intestine, where the magic of nutrient absorption. So sit back, relax, and embark on an enlightening journey through the fascinating world of the gastrointestinal system, vividly brought to life with these images. Dive deep into the understanding of how each part works and interacts with the rest, and appreciate the amazing, often overlooked system that operates within us. Imagine a long, sinuous highway extending from the mouth straight to the anus. This is the perfect metaphor for the gastrointestinal tract, a constant conduit that manages our food from its ingestion to its exit. The voyage of nutrition commences in the mouth, where the methodical operation of digestion is set into motion. On your screen, you can see a detailed image of the mouth, the first station of this complex process. The mechanical digestion of food starts here, with the teeth being the primary. As you can see, these teeth aren't just for show. They cut, tear, and grind food into tiny, more manageable pieces, making it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients. Now, gaze upon the image of the salivary glands. These are the unsung heroes of the digestive process. They produce saliva, a clear liquid that is much more than just water. It is this saliva that moistens our food, making it easier to chew and swallow. But that's not all. Saliva contains enzymes that kickstart the chemical digestion of carbohydrates. So even before you swallow, your body is already working hard to extract the vital nutrients from your food. As we continue our journey through the digestive system, our next stop brings us to the esophagus. The esophagus, shown here in this detailed image, is a muscular tube that is approximately 25 centimeters long. Its major role is conveying food, liquids, and saliva from the throat to the stomach. This is accomplished by smooth, rhythmic waves of muscle contractions called peristalsis. Now observe this video clip, which vividly depicts how peristalsis propels the food down the esophagus in a controlled manner. Moving on, we arrive at the stomach, which, as you can see in this anatomically accurate diagram, lies between the esophagus and the small intestine. The stomach is a muscular, bag-like structure with the ability to stretch and hold up to 2 liters of food and fluids. Its muscular walls contract and relax, churning the food with a cocktail of gastric juices. These juices, made up of hydrochloric acid, are so potent they can dissolve a razor blade. Notice how the food is transformed within the stomach, turning into a semi-liquid state known as chyme. This process, demonstrated in this 3D animated sequence, is a crucial step in preparing the food for further digestion in the small intestine. By the time we reach the small intestine, our food has been thoroughly broken down and is ready for nutrient extraction. As we move forward in our journey, the chyme, a pulpy acidic fluid that is partially digested food and gastric juices, enters the small intestine, a 20-foot-long, coiled, tube-like organ, and the longest part of the gastrointestinal system. To aid in visualization, a high-resolution image of the small intestine appears on the screen. Here, the chyme commingles with digestive juices secreted by the pancreas and bile produced by the liver. Next, we zoom into the pancreas, an elongated, flat organ located near the stomach. A detailed image of the pancreas is displayed as it produces enzymes that are instrumental in breaking down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. A microscopic image of these enzymes is shown, highlighting their complex structure and demonstrating their role in digestion. Our journey continues to the liver, the largest internal organ weighing approximately 1.5 kilograms in an adult. An image of the liver shows its dark reddish-brown color and its position in the body just beneath the diaphragm. The liver is multifunctional. Not only does it produce bile, a greenish liquid that aids in fat digestion, but it also performs over 500 functions. These include detoxifying harmful substances, storing vitamins and iron, converting glucose into glycogen for storage, and producing proteins for blood clotting. A series of images illustrate these various processes, providing a comprehensive understanding of the essential role the liver plays in maintaining bodily functions. As the chyme becomes fully integrated with these potent digestive juices, it continues its journey through the intricate maze of the small intestine. Here, a complex process of nutrient absorption unfolds. It's a fascinating spectacle, where nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, and fats are absorbed into the bloodstream via an extensive network of tiny, finger-like protrusions, dubbed as villi. These structures significantly increase the surface area of the intestine, thereby enhancing nutrient absorption. To visualize this, imagine a dense, lush forest of microscopic pinkish-white trees, reaching out to absorb the necessary nutrients, the chyme. Next, the undigested food residue, now stripped of its essential nutrients, enters the large intestine, also known as the colon. Contrary to what many people think, this organ plays a vital role in our digestive system. At this stage, the colon reabsorbs water and essential electrolytes from the leftover material, compacting it into a more solid form, what we commonly know as feces. Picture an image of a flexible tube, skillfully designed to optimize the final stages of digestion. But the colon isn't just a waste processing plant. It's also home to billions of gut bacteria that play a pivotal role in the final stages of digestion. These microscopic powerhouses also aid in the production of certain vitamins, such as vitamin K and some B vitamins. So, next time you think about your colon, remember to visualize it as a bustling microscopic city, teeming with beneficial bacteria. In essence, the gastrointestinal system is a profound marvel of nature. It's a sophisticated web of organs working in unison to undertake several crucial tasks, breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. The journey is an intimate ballet of processes that begins with the simple act of chewing in the mouth. This is where enzymes start their work, breaking down complex food particles into simpler substances. As we delve deeper, the stomach, that muscular sac, takes over. With its robust churning ability and potent chemical breakdown, it reduces the food to a semi-fluid mass called chyme. Now consider this, an image of the churning happening within the stomach walls, the vigorous movement of food turning into a fine paste. Next, the small intestine steps in, a place bustling with activity. Here, the nutrients in the chyme are meticulously absorbed into the bloodstream. Imagine a snapshot of the intestine, a long winding road where the real magic happens. Then comes the large intestine, handling the final stage of this complex journey. Any remaining water and electrolytes are absorbed, and the undigested food material is expelled as feces. Picture this, an image of large intestine, a strong finishing line in the digestive race, ensuring nothing valuable is wasted. And let's not forget the liver, the unsung hero of digestion. With its triple role in digestion, detoxification, and storage, it's an organ that truly does it all. Visualize a detailed picture of the liver, tirelessly working to keep our bodies toxin-free. So the next time you savor a meal, pause and consider the incredible journey your food undertakes within your body. Appreciate the vital role your gastrointestinal system plays in maintaining your health and nourishment. It's easy to overlook, but without it, life as we know it would be impossible. Now, isn't that food for thought?